My name is Juliet. My surname is Namfukwe. I'm from Northern Province. In front of me, I have a cake, which is normally made in Western Province of Zambia. This cake is made of what we call in Lozi Mauza. Yeah, so this cake is very delicious. This Mauza is grown all over Zambia. We can find this called finger fillet. A long time ago, our forefathers, they used to walk. There was no transport to use during their journeys. So they used to make a simple dish for them to energize themselves while they're on the journey. So they used to prepare this and they carry using this beautiful basket together with this beautiful plate. So as they are going on their journey, when they are hungry, they'll rest somewhere under a big tree. And then they bring out this simple cake made with Mauza and they eat with their families. And then they just take water, then they energize their bodies. And then they become strong again. There they go, they start their journey again. Thank you.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Yes.
That's amazing.
They use this as breakfast.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. When you come from your long journey, we can save you with these beautiful cakes. They are so nice and they will bring back your energy after a long journey. Thank you.